Hello, guys. Let me take you to one of the most beautiful Swiss Alps in Montreux, Switzerland. Roches de Naye are a mountain of Swiss Alps at 2000 meters overlooking Lake Geneva near Montreux. There are many places to be visited in Montreux, such as Chateau de Chillon, which is a fort, cheese factory, Freddie Mercury statue, Lake Geneva, and Swiss Vapor Park. People visit Roches de Naye in winter for skiing and in summer for enjoying the beautiful landscape. We can catch a cogwheel train from Montreux railway station to Roches de Naye. Journey takes about an hour. Let us enjoy the scenic journey to Roches de Naye. We can clearly see the Montreux promenade, similar to the Queen's Necklace of Mumbai. Train slowly rises up to the Swiss Alps, meandering through lush green slopes offering breathtaking views. Believe me, the fresh air and noiseless atmosphere around you is a perfect break you need. The temperature at Roches de Naye is always below 20 degrees centigrade in summer also. There is a coffee shop serving variety of food items and beverages. A relaxing day spent at Roches de Naye is unforgettable. There is an alpine garden showcasing local flora and fauna. A small adventurous track is a cherry on the cake. It's very convenient. There is a train every hour. It's 6 p.m. Now time to go back. The sunset view is also amazing on the way back. We can see the Montreux city now. A day well spent. Friends, for upcoming videos on Switzerland, please stay subscribed to my channel Falguni Vidwans. Thank you.